aiming for me? Now you did it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh! That was a hard nosedive. He broke the end of it off. Oh wait, yeah? It's hard to tell what happened here.
Oh my days.
You broke your hub carrier. Nosedive and took a chunk out the floor.
And they just keep taking it.
Shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done. In the bands I be pulling up. Tell your friends cause I'm pulling up. Ready or not I be pulling up. Remember they said I'm not good enough. I took all that energy, turned it to greatness. Now look at my life, man, it's looking amazing. I'm ready for anything, anyone. I've been so ready for everything I've become when I was stuck. I had no other option. Believed in myself when the shit was.
I'm getting proper close-ups of mine.
Who you know got it like
Get hit
that?
by
Who you know getting degrees and they rapping like they got diplomas in rap. Man, at this moment I still got a lot to accomplish. In fact, and I know they believe it. I'm talking to winners from LA to Sweden. I never stop winning. I feel undefeated. I come to your city and everyone pulling up, pulling up. Shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done. In the bands I be pulling up. Tell your friends cause I'm pulling up, pulling up. Shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done. In the bands I be pulling up. Tell your friends cause I'm pulling up. Pull up, I get what I want. I need a million ones. I need a couple of states to put all the haters back into their place. Now bring in the bass. Hey, ready for the big league. Never gonna miss me when I'm on the TV. I'm the MVP. Whenever they hear me kill it, they be coming at me, but I hit them with a pivot. I've been ready for the shit. Never gonna quit. Pull up and I'm never gonna miss. Everybody want it, but I know I gotta get it. I've been dedicated to a life I know I gotta live. Hey, I feel it coming. I settle for nothing. I know what I need, and it's more than the money. It's more than a woman. Not easy to reach, but I know that I gotta be pulling up. Pulling up, shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone.
Good for what it is. On take things didn't go through metal. Need a toothbrush. Alright, this is my toothbrush I'll be using tonight, guys, to brush my teeth.
Oh yeah, after it's covered in oil, grease and dirt.
I will.
So obviously this thing was well free moving. So we put in that 1,000 worth of stickiness. Million, yeah.
Yeah,
I keep saying 1,000.
Look at what we're putting into it.
You've already done
Basically
this.
locking the diff. And we're doing this because of the original motor is a smaller can, like a thinner can than this.
Provide for neighbors, provide for strangers, prepare for danger, prepare for nature, while still in danger. Minimum wages are hard as labor. Brother, when you got some pigment. Money's the longest distance. The world engrossed this life.
We're doing this purely because the original motor that's in it, if you look over here, is a lot thinner than the Castle Creations, and you can only fit this in. Like, you can only fit this motor in this chassis, and unless you rise the centre diff, which we are rising with another one of these top plates, which is right here. And it came with 3mm holes, as you can see.
We've drilled out to 4.
As you can see, that's a 3mm hole. We've drilled it to a 4 because that's the size of the holes at the bottom of the chassis to make it fit, and that's the size screws. So yeah.
Seems like the come up is real. That's about living it up in the hills. Working this job cause it's paying my bills. Made a foundation I'm looking to build. Need all my wishes fulfilled. Turn all my dreams to reality. No one just chasing the fantasy. Coming for everything. Looking back down from a balcony. Thank God we stuck to the strategy. I kept it clear with the vision. They just been lacking ambition. Things change, people change. I had to deal with transition. See that these rappers go missing. Never aborted the mission. Gotta go get it, no stopping. Fame just wasn't an option. I wasn't made for a 9 to 5. I wasn't built for that type of life. I've been an underdog on the rise, chasing my dreams every single night. Got uncontrollable hunger pains. I got a monstrous appetite. Seems like I'll never be satisfied. I'm always feeling another bite. I've been the man for the job. You got the night at the interview. They didn't think I was capable. Knew I was born for this weapon. They cut.
Original, new. Original, new.
Alright.
Beefy, non-beefy. Well, make sure there ain't no cables touching the bloody thing.
Alright. New cable.
Fold it.
And remember the tiniest tap.
That's tiny tap. Tiny.
Hang on, do that again. Oh, it did move.
Look, guys. Look at how much I'm... Look, get it close. Is that a good...
It's close enough, flipping heck. Well, it works on 6.
Go reverse.
Let's check the motor, it's not even warm. No. What are you doing?
So you want to empty all of the oil out
How
of
much
the
oil did
shop.
you have in there?
Don't know. Didn't look.
By looks of it, not a lot.
So you want to empty all of the oil out of the shock. So just squeeze it a few times. All of your old oil. And then if you put the tap on,
Yeah, all
fill
the
it
crap
up a
oil.
bit. Do that and then go. It's great fun.
Yeah, a bit of squirting.
Do that about 3 times just to
Use
clear
this
it
for
all
a new
out.
cheap water gun.
And then you just get some normal. This is just cooking oil,
Cooking olive oil or
vegetable oil.
what was it? I don't know what it is. Yeah, it's vegetable oil, I think.
Just carefully fill it up. We've noticed you shouldn't do it to the top, so if you do, then just shake a little bit
Should
out.
just be below the top. Just thought we ain't got time and money to go buy the proper stuff. I just thought we'd throw some cooking oil in. As it says on the tin, it's oil.
All of these rappers the same. Whether I hit it, go fuck what they play on the radio. I used to sit all alone in the studio, pray for a miracle. Now everything looking beautiful. Hell, I'm back, I've been through it. Took all the chances they wanted. They loving the way that I do it. Always been with me. Work every day for the weekend. Told them it's already season. Hell, I'm back, I've been through it. Took all the chances they wanted. They loving the way that I do it. Always been room for improvement. Please don't you give me a reason. I get it all when they sleeping. Work every day plus the weekend. So many season. Said that I kill it and nobody telling me different. I leave them dead in the casket. Ones that are close to me say that I'm distant. Knew I was gifted, but they wasn't present. Hey, come for your neck like I'm Dracula. Know that I'm far from the regular. Finna be something spectacular. Step up the level, the formula. Up every night, know what's on me at. Get on the beat, then I body that. They listening now like a wiretap. I need to know where that money at. I go to work on it daily. Most of these rappers be lazy. Love when they look at me crazy. Tell them my name again, feel like their memory hazy. Look on that jewelry and fashion. I got my eyes on a mansion. People keep talking and talking and talking, but never gonna put in that action. Went through the struggle, I'm moving up levels. Now too many people that sit in my circle. I lost a few battles, but learned to rebuttal. I had to go prove I was special. I be the one that's gonna get it done. Got an opinion, don't give me one. I gotta make it out where I'm from. Starting at B-boy, I'm not the one. Everyone searching for clout. That's what the game's been about. I'm on a whole nother route. They wanna know how I do it, but they cannot figure me out. Hell and back, I've been through it. Took all the chances they would it. They loving the way that I do it.
Oh, now he's fully dry.
I get it all when they sleeping.
And as it's landed on the wheel. Your phone's fine. I think it's only reached about 50. Yeah, which is, I'm not even sure if that's half speed yet.
I get it all when they sleeping. Work every day with the weekend. Told them there's so many seasons.
Well, the Carnage on 2S ain't that slow compared to this one 4.
I'm the one calling the shots. I don't get stuck in the box. Feel like I've been through a lot, holding it down like it's tied to a rock. Everybody all talk, they ain't walking that walk. Learned it all on my own. Everything's self-taught. Headshot with the stainless. Blow their mind, now they brainless. Dreams of being on stages. Damn, the shit's outrageous. I can see all of the changes. Everything coming in phases. Last year I was nameless. This year I'm shit. I'm the one calling the shots. I don't get stuck in the box. Feel like I've been through a lot, holding it down like it's tied to a rock. Everybody all talk, they ain't walking that walk. Learned it all on my own. Everything's self-taught. Headshot with the stainless. Blow their mind, now they brainless. Dreams of being on stages. Damn, the shit's outrageous. I can see all of the changes. Everything coming in phases. Last year I was nameless. This year I'm finna be famous. I've been doing my own thing, doing good in my own lane. Started wearing my own name, but it ain't on the gold chain. Saying things that they won't say, making moves that they can't play. Half of these rappers got no soul, probably sold it on eBay. Turning this shit to a brand, it wasn't part of the plan. No one knew who I was, now they know who I am. Gotta get straight to the business, building it up like it's Tetris. They say that I'm something to witness, dropping these rhymes and they vicious. Going in when it's game time, y'all been stuck on the sideline. Every day I've been rising up, see you niggas on decline. Blowing up like a landmine, your career need a lifeline. Work ethic ain't like mine, pray to God start seeing signs. Try to pull up in the I-8, you wanna ride but it's too late. Showing me love but it's all fake, deep inside know it's all hate. I cannot lose in this mind state, my timing is now and they can't wait. Don't know what's to come like a blind date, keep putting that work and we all straight. Great.
It sounds so good.
Don't break. Oh, yeah.
Well, that was a nose bar.
Oh, the ones that he's got about 100 quid or something?
Yeah.
Is that right? Yeah. That's a pretty decent speaker.
Yeah, and they go all the way up to 6S. You just have to get a newer motor later on to be able to cope with the 6S power.
Yeah, I think it might kill one. They're only little can motors, aren't they? But
Yeah, because we're going to
yeah.
put 4S in it,
Yeah.
which should be plenty enough.
Well, those motors that handle 4S, I don't know if they're on 6S. Though.
Yeah, he's sending the shot. 4S is the limit, mate.
Can't you not?
The motor's literally just gonna be 4. So I'm gonna get a configurations. Bloody hell!
I killed myself. Now you're trying to kill me. It jumps in reverse. Oh, I wasn't planning that.
We've got some Velcro on the sides, and we've also got these clips, which are really good clips because they're long. So they basically go through. They basically go through 2 posts, if that makes sense.
On this buggy they do, yeah.
So because we don't want to lose these clips because they're pretty good, we did it with our other cars, which
are over here.
we can see.
So got these, so you don't lose them. Same on this as well.
So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be drilling some little holes through here, which I will do in a minute. Drill the holes through there, and then what you do is you get one of these zip ties and Might as well do it now. You just stick the zip tie through. You obviously zip it up, and then you do it as tight as you can, so you don't lose it. And then there's the zip tie on the clip. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to drill the hole near to the actual bit where the post is. So for example, we've found a nice spot here where we're going to drill the hole. The zip tie through the hole, as you can see, goes this. Get that. That goes in there.
Yeah.
Bloody heck was that?
I'm puffing and chasing on terraces. Tonight I'll be up in the area.
How?
And now I like making appearances.
You broke your tyre. I don't even know how. You weren't even going that fast. Hilarious. Say push your buddy along when his battery dies. Buggy way.
She loving the fact I'm American. They tell me that I need a therapist. And lately I've been acting arrogant.
I've been in the car doing it my way. But you flipping triple digits on the highway. And we could probably take it back to my place. And I'll show you what it's like to live with mine.
Yeah. They try to tell me that I never listen. Always been the type to make my own decisions. Never been the type to live in fear. Now I'm making money from my intuition. Like damn. But I know when I'm in. I've been coming through hot, finna know when I land. I've been getting more known from the old to Japan. Now I'm making these songs, got them all in my hands. Like you could find me at a crossroad, probably hitting demons up on my soul. I've been moving fast. If we talking cash, put that on the table pronto. I'm only saying what I gotta mention. If you want it, you should pay attention. I told my family I'ma make a living. Now they getting closer when I speak the vision. Like whenever you rap, it's embarrassing. I blow through the shit like a terrorist. I'm puffing and drinks on the terraces. Tonight I'll be up in the air again. And now I like making appearances. She loving the fact I'm American. They tell me that I need a therapist.